when you go to the KINGSTON,
praise the Lord. This is my life and my salvation. Don't shall I fear pain and death, said the Lord. In my fall out of the mansion, we got poor well upon man. Brad the price, and the best that arise.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Our extended family. Are you bringing some stuff in here already?
Eh?
Ready to put something in here already?
Yeah, because yesterday was the kitchen. I tear down the kitchen. So the bathroom over yesterday.
Up the ladder, I have to climb. Okay.
You know,
Yeah, go.
Smile them now.
Oh.
Bathroom.
Oh, so the bathroom are there, so.
One in the pipe then.
Okay, this is the toilet over there.
No man, see toilet.
Oh, toilet part.
Face basin in the bathroom.
Oh.
window then. So,
the window is cut out.
one window there is so. One door you go there so. With the staircase. So just one staircase I go lead for my own. So I make one walk through.
So they got the deck over here as well too?
Yeah, they deck it too. But you kind of run out of material now. So just about a lot.
Oh, you're running out of material now?
Yeah.
At least they make you used to do it up already and most things done already. So you know, so that's a little bit of show, she said. Tile it. Face base.
What is that?
You said just walkway. One door I go there so.
The kitchen.
Kitchen yes so me I go.
Oh.
I done yes so.
I'm going to
And yes so. So me I just slab the kitchen and everything.
So that's now our room this?
My bedroom this.
Okay.
So my bedroom.
Okay, so you told us in our room.
Is that window, right?
One window yes and one.
Are you getting somewhere from where you was coming from to where you are now?
Yeah, though.
You know? It's a huge blessing. So we have to give thanks to the extended family. You know, from where you was coming from to. So, yes, yes.
I feel the heat.
Yeah. Yeah, wow. Yeah, it's a blessing. Right, Barney, you can see
I'll tell you,
how it was before, you know, how it is now. You know, more space. At least now you have the bathroom and things to go set up now. And you have a room so. I'm a window there right there so as well too. And one is a 2 window. Yeah, man, so. You need tiling next and then you put in them. Tile, you know, step by step. Yeah, man, step by step you will definitely get there. And you have to deck it to do over yourself. So definitely yeah, you're gonna need more funding towards it. See you here to complete this. Definitely. So what you do a round check for what you're gonna need again?
I want some sand, gravel, and some more steel and cement.
Oh, so you need more sand and gravel. Steel.
Cement and steel.
Oh. So you build up your idea and what you don't need. And then we can put it out there, you know, put it on the universe and see if anyone can bless it towards it same way, you know, help us with the sand. And we can know how much cement you want and see if anyone want to help you with the cement, and if anyone want to help you with the sand and the gravel, and if anyone want to help you with the steel. So you have to find out how much you want, you know, come up with an estimate so we can make them know. So if any blessings that we get now, you can work towards something, so you know. It's not only on one.
All of the donors them, I let me go so far and you can see it, so it move from push part and they did see it, and Father God bless each and every one, but give me the hand.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah man, so just get that up and running. Yeah man, just get the measurement and what we go want. So if anyone want to buy a cement or buy a 2 cement, somebody want to buy a 1 steel, somebody want to buy a piece of gravel, some sand, you know, something. So, you know, put together will make it work, you know, with all hands on deck, you know, it can work. So, it's not only on one person's shoulder because, you know, times
get hard now.
Yeah, so, if anyone we can come together and make it work, you know. So, like how we have Zelle, and we have Apple Pay now, we have Cash App. So, if you have so much people who watch a program, if one person can put $1, you know, in the Zelle, it can add up, you know. So we have 20,000 people following, you know, sometimes 5,000 people watch the video in a day. So if 5,000 people and each person want to put $1 in a Zelle, you know, it's come to something, you know, so we don't have to worry about too much pressure on one person, you know, so we can make it work. Yeah, man, so we give thanks. So yes, Slipper, Mother Teresa, stepping stone.
Yes, the staircase, my staircase I can do. Go straight out to the gate. And we try to see them steal it, come so that they will be so you know, walk through my bed.
Okay.
Just walk on yourself straight away.
Max, you can't climb though. I saw you go. Sooner or later, we're not here, you guys no leather. Yeah, Java, I don't need a staircase, guy, not.
Come back.
No, a stone. No, man. You see? You see what my billing I call? I let them usually walk on it now. Let me tell you.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm usually free.
I swan stone stuck from something. Max, exit.
Come, Max, come.
Go on. Max now move. Oh, a big car you free?
Yeah, go to him.
Oh, one big.
Well, Dream Team, one team. Dream Team, one team. Blessed love to all, blessed love to all. You know, and remember, don't forget to like and don't forget to share. Don't forget to tell a friend about the good deed that Dream Team is doing. You know, remember, please, if you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe yet, because it shows that 50% is watching, haven't subscribed yet, and next 50% not really subscribe. So who not subscribers, please remember to subscribe. Yeah, make the thing go, and please like before watching. Yeah, so today you know, cooking for the needy downtown. You know, long time we haven't been downtown, so we're going downtown to the downtown Kingston. You know, looking out for the needy and the street side. You know, we have to give thanks to Max, you know, and family, Max eternal love, and someone outside looking in. You know, and Rochelle and the whole family, you know, even little baby as well too. Everybody play a part in this, you know. We have a 2-part saga, you know, so we're gonna cook for downtown, and we're gonna also cook for Trenchtown as well. So today we're heading downtown, you know, cooking for the needy and the street side. The message Dream Team face down there. Yeah man, so we have to thank eternal love and someone that also looking in, and Rachel that's drinking a cup of tea, looking out the window when it's raining, you know, and the whole family also is speaking in, you know. So blessings to all, blessings to each and everyone. And thank you so much for watching this program, you know. Thank you so much, nothing but love and love alone. Yeah man, so thank you so much, Max and family, big up on yourself, you know, eternal love. Someone on the outside looking in, and Rochelle, we're looking forward to see you soon in Trenchtown, you know. Looking forward to see you and Smiley link up. Yeah, 2 Smiley, you know, 1 Smiley a brother and 1 Smiley a yard. So imagine when the 2 Smiley them link up a trouble. Yeah man, so today we're heading downtown, you know, looking out for the needy on the street side, you know. We say we thank eternal love and someone on the outside looking in, you know. We thank you so much, family, Rochelle and each and every one. So Rochelle didn't really get your one quite so, but Rochelle is looking through the window when it's raining, you know, drinking a cup of tea. And I say we thank you so much for this year that we can go downtown and look out for the needy. You know, so blessings to all, blessings to all. Remember, like before watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe now. Don't wait till it's too late. Yeah? Well, chicken and fry. Yeah, well, pretty. We have prefect and light parts in the kitchen, making it work. And, you know, today we're heading downtown, you know, as we were saying. And we have to give thanks to Max and his mommy. Someone on the outside looking in, you know, eternal love, and also
big up all the time, man.
And also Rochelle and the whole family. You know, the whole family making it work.
The whole family making it work. Yeah man, I appreciate love. Yeah, take the time out to look out for the
downtown.
less fortunate as you guys. Yes. I go downtown.
Yeah.
They do the movie work for no one way to do. They don't know. Bless upon yourself. All who make it possible. And all who don't make it possible. You don't know now you. And I'm going to make something else possible. So enough love and respect, you know. Max and mommy and the whole world.
Yeah,
man, Max and Max, mommy. I'm more love for every time.
Rochelle, you know.
And Rochelle.
The whole family. I look at baby too.
I want whole family. I want team.
I look at baby
and I want
too.
to say dream team. I want to say dream team. I want to make it work and we make it work.
Yeah.
So now I do the right thing and we do the right thing, as in.
Yeah, yeah.
I love it. I appreciate it at all times. Yeah. Max and Max, mommy and the whole family, the whole works. Continue doing the good work. I will love it. We have to continue doing it too. Yeah, man. I see them way so set, man. But I look out for the people, I look out for them too. That's one thing. Do the right thing.
Yeah. So we have downtown saga, we have Trenchtown saga as well.
Yeah.
Because so today at downtown, you know, and then we have the Trenchtown one after now. Same way by Max and family. Same way. You know, and eternal love. And someone on the outside looking in, and also someone peeping through the window. And even the baby were creeping past the door. So the whole family are doing it. You know, Rochelle having a cup of tea when it's raining. Right, Barney Bob. So we have Barney Bob like get the left.
And the girls are going to watch where I'm going and understand where I'm going and see everything where I'm going, you know.
Yeah.
All the donors and the subscribers and everybody, you know. And the extended family. I do it to the people this evening.
Yes, sir.
Trust me. Long time you not get like a food on the ends, you know. I work for them this evening.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. And God will bless it and bless who give, send photo and to it, you know. Enough respect every time.
Every time. So we're gonna make it work. See that the chicken are fried. You know, the double egg C. You know, I'm sure we have prefect and light part in the kitchen. So all chef will do some washing. So all chef I'm gonna do some wash off and good things. So we always have each and everyone who will fall apart and make it work. Right, so see a chef in the kitchen, see me prefect having secret touch. There's a make sure be to broad, there's no people, but prefect having secret touch, you know.
As we say now, anyway, Kino call me, I say prefect, I accept the assistance. Yeah, you have to give the time to do that. So we don't have no special. But we play every role. Because you don't know, it's everyone ready.
Of course.
So you don't know enough love, Sylvia, Max and Mommy. Got it nice to my ready? Bless up. Thanks again. Got it nice to my
New week. So what's this here for you?
Pray for Jamaica and the world. It's prayer capital and also pray for Jamaica and the world. Prayer capital and Chapel of Kingston. What we're doing is we are rebranding downtown.
Okay.
Yeah. Police did their show on their exhibit on whatever they did it on. But I asked them if they're ready for new downtown. Usually with government, what they think about is infrastructure. So what they're gonna do is kick people to the curb and just leave them how they found them. Yeah. What we are saying is no, you're not developing until you get down to the core of the people. So when a young lady was missing on Tower Street, she was a 16-year-old. I started a program called Tap Bazaar. I removed everybody from downtown and put them into Tap Bazaar. Same area, but what I say is that crime doesn't happen in Tap Bazaar. Tap Bazaar is townhouses and penthouses, villas and suites and residences, top facade. So from that now, there's other more popular. There's going to be a more popular name that's going to come, but people are going to love it. It's going to be on T-shirts all over the place.
Okay.
Trust me, because there's no the Paradise edition of top facade. There's no North top facade. We're going to be set up a university up there because there's some people up there who can carry presentations. If they don't carry it at the university level, they can carry it at the at a pre-university level. So we are going to be, as it were, and bring that out of them, because when people can realize that there are people of that type of caliber among them, they think twice to shoot we are going to get, because they know you're actually going to be eradicating value. Value, and that's where we are. So we're going to be going beyond what government is doing.
Okay.
We're saying the people. So when we do that now, guess what? Legislature will have to catch up, because you're making money different now other than from crime and violence. At present, unfortunately, everybody's making money off crime and violence.
What's your name?
I'm Dart.
Dart.
That's my acronym.
I like your movement.
Yeah, man. So we're going to be public. So look out for it. Definitely will. So our program is called we call it Dream Team. Okay.
We're a BS foundation that people donate and so much cook food and look out for the needy.
Right.
So this is what we always do. When they watch a program, they will donate and say cook food and bring or give the needy downtown or whatever, wherever they choose.
Okay.
So there's a group of people that always try to do so now and then when they can, so you can thank eternal love and someone on the outside looking in. So you can.
I'd love to publicity the quality and start typing something as well. Because in the end, guess what I would do? I would take some of the money,
Alright, so we're going to serve it.
Start some other business enterprises so that you can have a larger profit and you can do it more consistently. So what I'm saying?
Alright then, so
if anything, you can probably link me one of the times and we go over some details and then we can say how we can, because that is all a part of the new Jamaica.
Alright, no problem. So, who have the park, who have the water, who have the food? Kino. Yeah, we're Kino on the Dream Team. Yeah.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, man, Dream Team. Yeah, Kino.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, line, join the line, General. But you get your food, man, so I'm saying come call me. You get your food. Enough food there, so you're not worried. You hear me say? Enough food there, so. Everybody again, we have enough here. Esther, can you get the ladies over there, sir? Especially ladies, sir. Yeah, man. If we can just say thank you when we get it, it's gratitude. So we can encourage the people then to do it more often, right?
Yeah, man, actually I give thanks. We had another day to somebody's life. There must be some form of blessing in me and my brothers. Thank you. Bless it.
Yeah, man, bless it.
Keep up good work.
That's it, man. Yeah, barefoot now, walk around the town.
Daddy, water.
One down.
Yeah.
Give me a video, General, man. For health and strength and daily food, we praise thy name, our Lord.
Amen.
Blessing, yeah, General.
Blessing.
Mommy, nice girl.
Yeah, man.
We're not bring clothes on them, so put it on cheer. We love beard, you know. We love beard, you know.
Alright.
Next time, we get some clothes. We bring
water here.
Comfy water.
Comfy water. Yeah? We have more people on the corridor. Yeah.
Between Loveland and Water, there are some people on the right hand side.
Okay. Lovely now. You just there?
Want you
When
praise the
you
Lord.
go to the
Well,
next
I
town.
want you praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.
This is my life and my salvation. All shall I fear, pain and blessed the Lord. In my father's house I'm in the mansion. Big up poor well upon man. Riding the price of the big butter rice. Alright, give thanks.
Alright, yeah man, listen.
Give thanks.
Alright, cool. Yeah.
All that's best, and we hope that you keep up the good works.
Yeah, man.
And we hope that whatever support you're getting, that it will get even larger.
Huh? You know me from somewhere? On the YouTube.
Huh?
YouTube?
I don't know. I don't know on YouTube.
Yeah. Charity, we do charity on YouTube.
Charity work.
Charity work. So maybe it's there, right? See me on CVM.
Yeah. The man to get food.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. So we try to do our best. Yeah? Yeah, man. Blessing. Take care, yeah? Alright.
Hello.
Blessed.
Hello. Food. Food.
Food. Food.
Yeah.
Come on. Come here, where are you going? You alright? Hello. You want food? Come now. You have food here. Yeah, man. Yeah. Huh? Video. Someone video already. How much there?
Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord already come.
Don't wait. Please go on. Finish the baby. Don't pass the place. No more.
Yeah. The food done. Eh? Yes, sir.
Me do all Thanksgiving about ya.
Yeah.
I'm blessed to give us them when come with food. The whole of them we are eat now, I'm go home. I be alone when I know when it's late, I'm sleep. And I use this in my black shirt. You know a big stone man come here, sit there, I search the man stab me and I'm crying. Over there some food. The whole of them I got them and everybody. When you see.
Next time I'll look out for you, yeah?
So thanks a lot, and I pray for you again in my Thanksgiving because we never left from out there.
Alright, give thanks, man.
Yeah, because a great job we're not doing so far, God, now we beg it to go in strength so that we can do more.
Yeah.
See now, a street youth, this and me and them man.
Yeah, man, we give him food already.
I've been moving on extra share.
It finished now.
We get one down this.
You get
so why you never tell me say yes?
No, we never know. Down this to them, they from the most of the time I don't Yeah.
You get already.
Okay. So why you never tell me? Them is gone, but they move. We never know where they gone, because they be better than the park and move where. But I run and
before once we have them now go move, and so we never know yesterday.
We never know yesterday. They gone, but they drive where. So we never know them there.
Yo, it's a spiritual food coming.
Yeah, I like.
Spiritual food, you
have some people come here with the food where them now eat a plate out of them food. Why they have to give us them when they eat with it nice and spiritual, them can have some ice here, man. You have people, no matter how you they don't deal with something that's come here. And that's what say, I eat that and then God.
But that food, they can feel the spiritualness.
But we can't feel the spiritualness in the food, and we can't feel the good energy in the food and the vibration of the people who carry. I know so they are work for God. Because when you are work for God, you can't hide.
Can't hide.
And the devil is no for no time. That's why I'm not afraid to sleep over there. And faith and prayer are the only two things that can me.
So the last changes me up left in my pocket again.
I'm sick in the HIV. But the grace of God alone can make sure I take medication. You don't know who did it, that's 65 and 6. You never give up, and no matter how one person and tell me about it. You know, I tell me first, at the end of the world, I have to need stuff. I tell myself to be honest. And Father, that vision is spiritually. And show me to watch it. It may be long, but it's not forever. I'm not a business every day.
No.
The circumstances, really. Not a life of the soul, not a comfortable life. You have to try to pass inside of it. Water, the same man in the street take your water to wash the yard. What do you do in the book? I don't wash them then gone. Because me say people who put me on the street and let's just see me asleep. Because when you carry a pants and shirt from give them, you take the best care right. Because I like to be clean. Come in when you give us them food and the food will cover your nose to your face. You know right? Yeah.
Finish. Yeah, finish. Yeah, man. General, we'll definitely look out for you next time.
Yeah, man. I'm grateful for you now, man.
Yeah, man.
Blessings, yeah, mommy. Yeah, man. Most of the that.
Yeah.
I DM me name, yeah?
DM
yeah, remember, right?
Right to the post office.
Yeah.
Alright, no problem.
Any clothes, any little thing.
Bring them.
Like it, shoes, any little thing. You don't have to show them, you just carry them come. We accept them.
Alright, no problem. Alright then. Alright then. Alright.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiro Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.